Hello, my name is Parker Schrader, along with my partner Jesse Kohler. Today, Jesse and I will have the pleasure of representing the affirmative side in the debate resolved that the United States federal government should substantially increase space exploration to support for prioritization of the exploration of Mars. The affirmative side would like to define substantially as ample or considerable amount, quantity or size, exploration as an act or instance exploring or investigating, and prioritization as to list or rate in order of priority, all stated by dictionary.com. The affirmative side intends to prove that the exploration of Mars should be a top priority on America's space agenda. To begin the debate, let's discuss NASA's newest and most current plans and outlooks on the surrounding issue of Mars. In May of 2010, hearings were held by the Senate Committee to review Obama's administration's proposed space initiatives. One of the most important components brought forth from the proposal included a series of increasingly demanding human explorations and missions, including a manned mission to an asteroid by 2025 and a manned mission to Mars by the mid-2030s. This goal set by Obama's administration not only helps to shape America's future plan and purpose in space, but also sets a checkpoint for NASA to accomplish. Reaching objectives such as Mars or an asteroid can provide benefits such as discovering the undiscovered facts about space, resolving mysteries that surround outer space, and can bring about dramatic changes to our lives. NASA's vision reads, to reach for new heights and reveal unknowns so that what we will do and learn will benefit for all humankind. We are funding an organization whose purpose it is to explore areas outside of Earth and territories in which we are unfamiliar. Contradiction or opposition to NASA or their philosophy, for that matter, is the equivalent of saying there is no need to learn more and benefiting humankind is not a top priority. As the affirmative side, we are inclined to reach for new heights and explore areas, while the negative side is advocating that exploration is not a top priority on the agenda. One motive behind the exploration of Mars in particular is the study as a potential future inhabitable world. It is essential to develop technologies which will enable mankind to settle in these unnatural environments, and again, knowledge of their mineral resources, atmosphere, composition, and surface conditions. The potential damage done by an asteroid or comet that collides with Earth could range from the impact of a bombing like Hiroshima to the complete destruction of all life on the planet. There's also potential for other terrible damage to be done to the Earth, like climate change, warfare, overcrowding, which means that as a race, we have no choice but to leave the planet. In that situation, high levels of knowledge about human space travel and the ability to colonize Mars and other planets would be essential. The negative side will refute against these high-level degrees of exploration due to the fact that it consumes large sums of money from the national budget that could be used for other programs. SpaceRay.com reports space exploration is not a waste of money. In fact, the U.S. spends only 1% of the budget on space exploration. Critics of the space program criticize in terms of social ground and point the finger at the U.S. government for wasting their tax money in space instead of helping the poor, but they are not feeling guilty for their own consumerist lifestyle and their own scale priorities. Space Daily states, total related sales in the U.S. are projected $31 billion. Total pet-related sales in the U.S. are projected $31 billion, which is double the $15.47 billion NASA budget. An estimated $5 billion worth of holiday season gifts were offered, not to the poor, but to the family's pets, which is 6 times more than NASA spent on its own roving Martian explorers, the Spirit and Opportunity, whose cost the American taxpayer $82 million, both instead of providing a launch pad for an immorally expensive shuttles. Florida can do better and clothe the unprivileged, also known as a genuine pet alligator collar, which is $400 a piece. As the first man put it, space exploration is needed in one of humankind's greatest achievements. We have broken the shackles of gravity to explore worlds beyond our home planet. While the space race between the USSR and the USA, which ultimately ended some decades ago with the landing of the man on the moon, space exploration of our solar system continues through the activities of NASA and other space agencies all over the world. Every space mission costs money, but the rewards it seeks are unmatched and benefit mankind in the long run. Thank you. Vote affirmative.